Hello, this is Lindsay from Revolution Data Systems. I'm going to show you the Recycle Bin feature in AppEnhancer. Now, this is a helpful permissions-based feature that enables a user to retrieve a deleted document. So think of the Recycle Bin as a soft delete or two-stage delete. Let's delete a couple of documents first, and then I'll show you the Recycle Bin. Okay. I've deleted a couple of documents, and let's say that I discover in a week or so that I need to access those documents again. Well, if I run a new search under Active Documents, which we see down here, I will not see any recycled documents. But if I have permissions set where I can query in recycled documents or all documents, then I can access them. Let's do a query on all documents. Now you'll notice that the two records that were deleted have the dark icon. Let's go back and just do a search in recycled documents. This will take us directly to those two records that were deleted. Now these are in the recycled state, and the options are to restore or permanently delete. Now again, this is permissions based, so it could be that a supervisor or a manager only has access to the Recycle Bin feature to permanently delete or restore a document. So let's restore this one, and we'll restore this second one. Now, let's run a new query. If I go back to run a query on recycled documents, we don't find any documents that are in the recycled state. And if I run a query on all documents, you'll see that those two records now have the light icon, signifying that these records are active again. And that is the Recycle Bin in AppEnhancer. Thank you for watching.